So hey guys, how are you? Recently Lava sent me a mystery box, so let's check out. The box is looking very premium. Okay, let's open it. Oh wow, it's especially for our main channel, and here is main Blaze. On the left side clearly mentioned 100 days free screen replacement. On the right side, oh, hashtag proudly Indian. Transparent case, SIM ejector, and finally our phone. Type A to C cable and 10-watt charging adapter. Alright, the phone comes with a premium looking smooth glass back panel with sleek edges. As per the company, it's the first in the segment to feature a glass back, which is usually available in premium phones. On the right side we have power button and volume rockers, and left hand side SIM card slots. At the bottom we have headphone jack, microphone, type C port and speaker grill. The Lawa Blaze has a 6.5 inches HD plus LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate, and the display has good colors and you can see the viewing angles are also nice. The phone runs on clean Android 12. And one more thing about Blaze phone, it has face and fingerprint unlock. Both options are available in this price segment. And one more thing about this phone, face and fingerprint unlock, both options in this price segment. The Lawa Blaze comes with MediaTek Helio E22 processor. It's a very old processor but okay with normal performance, and 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging adapter, 3 gigs of RAM plus 3 GB virtual RAM option and 64 GB storage. No any another option in storage and RAM. And now finally talk about last part of the phone, camera. The camera design is very unique and looking different in this price range. First, 13 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel micro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. At the front there's an 8 megapixel camera for selfie. Overall, the Lawa Blaze is a nice device and best design in this price, but performance is like Lawa Blaze price in India starts from 8699. It's available on Lawa online store, Flipkart, Amazon and offline markets. Thanks for watching and make sure like and subscribe this channel.